Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afam. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys to the site of the demolished buildings in Computer Village. I'll be showing you before how it looked like and what it looks like now after the demolition. Please, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Let's go. I went to check out the building that was marked for demolition a few days ago before it was demolished. This is the building I thought was only going to be demolished. As you can see, it has POWA written on it, POWA, which means Police Officers' Wives Association. Little did I know that this building and an entire section of Computer Village was going to be demolished. Now I'm approaching the site of the building I showed you earlier, the POWA building. As you can see, it has been brought down already, along with a lot of other buildings. The entire section is owned by POWA, and traders were given a 24 hours notice to move out before demolition. I was told that they were actually given a 7-day notice previously, and the traders headed to court and were supposedly given a restraining order. The traders have been protesting the planned demolition of the building, which according to the owners is due to the fact that the building is distressed and could collapse anytime soon. When I found out that it was several buildings that were demolished, the question I asked myself is it possible for these several buildings to be distressed at the same time, or was that just an excuse to carry out the demolition? Anyways, people are saying this might be the first of many demolitions that might be coming to Computer Village in the coming months and years. Because don't forget that the government has earmarked a new site for Computer Village that is located somewhere around Abulegba, Lagos. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.